What's up, Finotix crew? Picture this. You're staring at your portfolio, heart pounding, wondering if crypto's about to tank hard or explode into life-changing wealth. Right now, in early 2026, we're at that make or break moment where one smart move could stack your bank account stupid high or leave you kicking yourself forever. I've crunched the numbers, watched the trends, and yeah, things look wild. But stick with me. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to play it and potentially turn this dip into your biggest win yet. Let's dive in and get you that edge. Man, if you've been scrolling feeds or checking headlines, it feels like everyone's losing their minds. Prices are dipping, folks are yelling bear market left and right, and it's easy to think the party's over. But hold up, that's exactly the noise that clouds judgment. Most people are straight up confused with all the conflicting takes. Some say we're headed for a brutal downturn, others spot a bull run brewing. The truth? We're likely hovering near a bottom, and positioning now could set you up for epic gains ahead. Let me break it down simple. No fluff, just facts that'll help you navigate this mess. I've been harping on this gem for ages because it's dead simple and scary accurate. Check it. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index measures market vibes on a scale from 0 to 100. Extreme fear, red zones, screams buy low, while greed, green, yells sell high. It's like clockwork. Current readout as of Jan 3, 2026. Sitting at 29, smack in fear territory. Yesterday, 28, still fear. Last week, 23, extreme fear. Last month, 26, fear. It's ticked up a bit, but we're still in that cautious red zone where smart money starts scooping up deals. Why it matters. History shows red our bottoms. Back in the Biden-era dips, we'd hit these lows and boom, rides to all-time highs followed. For example, when it was orange-red in late 2024, buying would have taken you straight to October 2025 peaks. Then, selling in the green at those highs, you'd have banked big on the way down. Pro tip: ignore the hype. This index cuts through the BS. When everyone's panicking, like now, it's often the perfect entry. Extreme fear? That's your signal opportunities are knocking? Forget fancy charts for a sec. Just peep what people are saying. Headlines are all doom and gloom. Crypto winter incoming, alts bleeding out. Social feeds? Flooded with bear posts and predictions of more pain. The contrarian edge. When the crowd's screaming down, that's when markets love to flip. I called the Biden-era tops and bottoms spot on and got roasted for it back then. Now? Feels like deja vu. Everyone's panicking, but I'm chilling. Pros like Bitwise and Standard Chartered are betting big on bulls. Bitcoin to 150k, 170k by year-end. Alts rallying after early dips. Real talk from the trenches. Analysts at Decrypt and the Block say no full winter. Expect a possible Q1 drop, maybe BTC to 67k, then new highs like 140k plus. Even Fidelity notes this could be a temp pullback, not the end. And get this. Institutions are piling in, with predictions of crypto equities crushing tech stocks and RWAs exploding. What folks are missing? Yeah, we might dip a tad more, say 10-15% early 2026 per Tom Lee, fulfilling past patterns like 50% drops in previous cycles. Could hit high 70s or low 80s for BTC, but overall, sentiments at extreme negativity, which historically flips to bounces 70-91% of the time. Where we stand, mapping the 2026 roadmap. If I had to circle it on the chart, we're right here in the dip zone. Not rock bottom yet, but dang close. Could we slide a bit more? Sure, to match old cycles. But the setup's primed for upside. Bull case for 2026. Liquidity's about to pump with midterms, institutional adoption, ETFs, inflows hitting billions, and tech like DeFi and tokenization going mainstream. Bitcoin dominance stays 50% plus, but winners like ETH and SOL hit new highs. Predictions? BTC 150k, 250k, alt season kicking in mid-year. Bear risks to watch. If black swans hit, like minor capitulations or regs, we could drag to late Q3 bottoms around 50k, 60k. But experts like JP Morgan and Citi see base cases at 143k, 189k. Bullish vibes outweigh the FUD. Your playbook, not advice, but if you're in it for the long haul, buying dips in fear zones has paid off huge. Focus on utility coins, stake for yields, and diversify into RWAs or prediction markets. They're set to boom. Don't panic, position smart. Guys, I'm fired up about this. Crypto's my jam, and I'm not sweating these headlines. We've got potential for a killer 4 years ahead. If everything's feeling cuckoo, that's the signal. Opportunity's knocking. What do you think? Bottom close or more downside? Drop your take below. If this lit a fire under you, smash that like, hit subscribe for more no BS crypto breakdowns, and turn on notifications. We've got tons more coming to help you build that wealth. Let's crush 2026 together. Peace out.